Hi, in my channel I have described many things, and also I am describing here you can see and read computer courses, computer tips and tricks, and other related topics of computer. You are using computer, mobile, it is in your life, but if you don't know the brief knowledge of that device, then it will be difficult for you to handle that device. So you must know some tips and tricks to handle that device in easy way. You have many Gmail accounts, but some of them are so important, or your private Gmail account where you are keeping your personal information or professional information. But after some time, if you forgot the password of that Gmail account, then what will you do? Viewers, if you like my videos or that is useful for you to learn or that provide you some important knowledge, then please like, share and comment in my videos, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel.
InfoTech, the knowledge of computer technology.
Hi, welcome you all in my channel. As you know, I am Dhananjay.
First click on the browser, then type gmail.com. and that open that account whose password you have forgotten. So now I'm clicking here this account, and you can see here I'm typing at any password, then say that it is wrong password, so you have to click here forgot password. Here it is saying that Google will send 6-digit code to your mobile number that you have put at the time of making Gmail account, and that mobile number end with this 2-digit. So here one is text message and other is call. So either they will call or either they will send. You can choose anyone. So I am choosing here text message. By clicking this, press OK, and after that another page will come. Now you have to put here 6-digit code which is sent in your mobile. Now here a page will open where you have to create a new password. So here you can type a new password and here confirm password. Then here two options, that is one is skip and other is save. So if you save that password, then it will save to your browser, and when you want to open the Gmail account, at that time it will open, but here skip means it will not save. So I'm just pressing skip. After pressing escape, here security check will come. So means 3 types of security it just checks, but it is not necessary. So go to continue to Gmail. When you press continue to Gmail, then your Gmail account will open. So this way you can recover your Gmail account. I hope you have understood. If any confusion, then I am saying always just write a comment here and keep watching my channel.
And thank you for watching my video.